Kamusta man niya mong gwapa? Hello, hon. Mabalang ka pa ba? Wait ka. Welcome back to the Philippines. Welcome back. Gawin na lang.
Before our brother Manuel told me a thing, if possible, change the word reunion. You must have to change it. Get together or gathering. Reunion is not good because every year there is somebody who will disappear. So we come here together just only for get together.
Get together.
Gather together, sing together, and nothing more. Okay, ano na ito nangyari sa atong contest, no? Because this is for our own happiness and for our joyfulness, togetherness. So everybody must be happy. Nobody will be so worried. Because everybody will receive something to go home. So, what will be the next?
The second prize pa. Second prize pa. Yung tunga daw.
Tunga.
300. 300 lang, 51.50. 90.
3.